Oh man.
These next lessons look kind of tough.
Here's your mail, guys.
Huh?
Mackenzie,
Oh, hola Mackenzie.
how are you? We got some mail?
Yep. It's from Everyday Mathematics.
Everyday mathematics.
What?
The author of the book.
Everyday math?
Yep.
Attention.
Mr. Byrne. What is it? I'm scared of.
Oh, great.
Can be some numbers, some.
I don't know what it is.
Has to be related to math.
Probably. Should we open it? Mackenzie, do you want
Or
to...
some Oreos inside? No.
Where'd you get those? Oh, okay. Hold on. Let's see what this could
It's a
be.
secret.
It's very scary if Everyday Math is sending us stuff.
Huh?
Might be something bad. It might be something good. He didn't tell me.
Huh.
So
Whoa.
just a man show up and give you that?
He said, "This is for Mr. Bird and Mr. Perez. Do you know them?" And I said, "Yes."
Oh, it's a frisbee. Oh, let's play. Thank you.
It's not a frisbee.
I
guys.
think we may have a disc. Hold on, Mackenzie. Let's see how this works.
Okay.
Maybe they think we should get some more
Wait.
exercise.
No.
Ah.
Guys.
It doesn't work like a frisbee.
I don't think it
Oh,
works
wait,
that way.
Mackenzie, stay right there. Stay right there. I think this might be new earrings for you. Huh?
It's round.
I don't think they are.
No?
No?
They don't have a clip or anything. So.
A clown nose? No?
I'm at a loss. Wait a sec. There's a hole in the middle.
Oh, read this. Degrees. Is it about temperature? It's a thermometer? It's un termómetro?
That could be. Degrees?
Degrees?
You're right. That's a clue. Degrees.
I think I know
Thermometer.
what it
Do
is.
I have a temperature right now?
Help us, please.
I think I know what it is. These are
She knows what it is.
these are angles. That's what it means by degrees.
Oh, angles. I think I
So
studied
like a
angles
90-degree angle, a 360-degree angle. So kind
Whoa.
of like a 360 angle.
So
360s go
it's
all the way around.
something with angles.
I was studying angles when I was a 4th grader. So I think it's time for 4th graders to study angles.
That is a good call. And what do we know about angles, Senor Perez? You're right. I
Yo
think
sé algunas cosas en español.
we can classify them. Let's take it to the
Please.
board.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, Mackenzie, help us out.
Okay.
Please.
Can I bring my leche?
Sí, por
Sure.
supuesto.
Okay.
So, Mr. Byrne,
Uh-huh.
can you explain our kids what is an angle?
Yeah, I can do
¿Qué es
that.
un ángulo? ¿Qué es un ángulo?
Well, okay, this is a good example.
Uh-huh.
When we have two pencils,
Uh-huh.
could be pencils, or line segments, when they come together,
They cross.
or they intersect, now they're touching,
Ajá.
we form angles, right?
Ahora entiendo. Entonces tienen un punto en común. They have a common point here, an intersection point,
Correct.
and two segments.
Line segments.
And what is the angle?
The angle is,
This space here,
It's
the
inside.
opening.
yes.
So, ¿esto es un ángulo?
Oh, yeah, that's still an angle, right, Mackenzie?
That's called an acute angle.
Why?
That's a
Because
bad
it has
word.
like
Cute?
a bow in its hair and it's cute?
Oh.
It's cute. It's a cute
It's
angle.
cute. I mean,
Yeah, it's
I would ask this angle out to go roller skating.
Look at the
Oh yeah, this.
degrees.
Ah,
Maybe you
Can
can
I
measure
check it?
that.
I can do it. I can do it.
Okay.
I can do it. I'm going to make two coins para coincidir.
Okay.
Coincide, ¿cómo se dice eso en inglés? Coincidir. Like to make the same point,
Oh yeah. You're going to put-
angle, and then here,
I think
360 or 0. I can see this one is a 40 degrees angle.
40
yes, I think
degrees.
you're right,
Mhm.
Mr. Fur.
Can you open it? I'm going to measure another one. Open
Oh
it.
wow, that's so this is not a disc to play catch with.
No.
We've ruled out that it's not new earrings for Mackenzie.
It's not a clown's
nose.
nose.
And you
This
can also use different angles with different objects. Like, for instance, this computer.
Oh yes, show us.
what?
See? It has an angle. That's called a right angle,
4.
which
You're
is
right.
90 degrees.
Does that mean it's right-handed?
No. It so it's on the right. Yeah, it's on the right side. So look.
So Mackenzie, do you mean that we use angles for our daily life?
Yep.
Wow, this is interesting. Look at this. One
right.
angle here,
That looks
2.
like, yep.
3,
Oh, yep.
and
4.
4.
And look at all the desks. They
What?
also
We need Mackenzie in our videos.
Every day. Every day
intelligent.
Mackenzie instead of everyday math.
Yeah.
Look, they even have right angles in the desk.
Ah, also, you're right. Okay.
Straight
And
up, straight across.
what about this
Whoa.
chair?
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whew.
Any
Can you
angles
see
here?
any angle?
Look at this.
Wow, this is a cute,
A cute.
beautiful angle. Cute?
It's,
No.
It's called a cute.
A cute.
Why is it
Agudo.
acute?
Agudo.
I think it's because it's more smaller.
Ah,
than
it's kind
some
of cute.
angles.
Kind of small, cute.
It's like a
Angle.
cute angle. So
¿Sabes cómo se dice en español? Agudo.
agudo.
It's kind of
Agudo.
like a good angle.
Agudo.
And it's
¿Sabes,
cute.
¿Sabes cómo se dice este en español? Recto. Muy bien,
Recto.
Mackenzie lo sabe. Recto.
Right angle is a
Mhm. Agudo.
Well, I have an
Interesante.
idea, you guys.
You do?
So this makes more sense thanks to your clues and your insight on angles. So I realize that this is not a disc. This is what we call a full circle
Mhm.
protractor.
¿Sabes cómo se llama en español? Transportador.
Oh.
Transportador. Es la palabra española. Transportador.
And
Look
a,
it.
de ángulos.
Even the iPads have angles. Pretty
Does?
much.
Are we taking it to the space corner?
Yes,
So-
we are.
oh,
taking
mira,
it to the space
mira,
corner.
Mr. Byrne. Acute angle,
Wow, you're right.
Because
right angle,
Also-
obtuso. ¿Cómo se dice este? Obtuso.
Oh.
When you open like this, obtuso.
two.
Obtuse angles are greater than 90 degrees.
So it's like this.
Like this, okay.
Okay.
And what about this? ¿Cómo se dice este?
Uh-oh. When we have a straight line, I know that's not an angle. That's a straight line.
That's just
180 degrees.
¿Sabes
Straight.
cómo se llama en español? Llano.
Llano.
Llano. It's an angle called llano en español. We have a name for that.
You
So-
have a name for everything.
Sí, Spanish people do that. So, aquí, ¿podemos repetir vosotros en inglés? You in English and me in Spanish. Okay.
Okay.
What about this?
Acute.
Acute angle. Less than 90 degrees.
Agudo. Menos de 90 grados. Now,
90 degrees.
Right
angle.
90 grados, ángulo recto. ¿Y ahora?
Look at that.
Ob-
I had to switch. Obtuse angle more than 90 degrees.
Ángulo obtuso, más de 90. Y ahora en español, en español, llano. Llano.
Straight line.
Llano.
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 Llano. Llano.
Llano.
Wow.
Muy
very
bien,
good.
Mackenzie,
180 degrees.
And this one?
iPad.
iPad. 0 grados.
Oh. Well, I tell you what. Do you think we can maybe practice using our full circle protractor and maybe practice measuring these angles on the board? Should we take it to the board?
Yeah.
¿Por qué no?
Let's take it to the
Mackenzie,
board.
¿puedes dibujar un ángulo para nosotros? ¿Quieres una regla?
Do you need a couple?
¿O one? ¿O
Aha.
¿Quieres una regla? Ah, mira, esa es mejor, más
Can
pequeña.
you draw us a couple angles?
Please.
Ah.
And Mr. Burr has to measure them.
Okay.
Mr. Perez is going to eat.
Here, I'll hold it. I'm pretty good at
Okay, I
holding.
stay, I stay.
Okay.
Senior Perez, why don't you hold one?
Yes, why not?
Make yourself useful.
Okay, I will.
Okay. So let's see.
Mhm. Oh, we just need one line.
Yeah, just draw this bottom line there.
Yeah.
But I like that full. Whoa!
Wow.
That is a nice looking angle.
Uh-huh.
Whoa! It's a stapler.
I guess you could say that.
Mhm. Where is the angle?
So the angle is right,
You're right.
and also what we also do this.
Oh yeah, that's
entiendo.
the. I think that's international. That's
Sí,
the
sí.
the sign for angles.
Mhm.
That's
It's
how
like
you know
a
where the angle is.
symbol.
Symbol.
A
Yep.
symbol.
Mhm, muy bien.
All this
How do you
time,
say
I,
symbol? in
Símbolo.
Spanish?
Símbolo, muy fácil. Muy fácil.
all this time, I actually thought it was an ear, but that doesn't make
No.
any sense. So
No.
that's a sign for an angle.
And also a right angle would do this. I can do
Uh-huh. Wow.
this. And then you would do this for right angle.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes I've seen for right angles quite a bit. I've seen they almost like put a chair in.
Mm-hmm.
It's like so perfect you can sit back and you have a nice back brace.
Also in
And
Spain.
this could be the
Is that in
floor.
Spain?
So, can we measure, Mr. Byrne?
Yeah, I'm ready, guys.
Tell
don't
me.
worry, don't worry. Don't worry.
Oh,
Whoops.
goodbye.
Here, maybe
This
we
is the
should
wrong
Can I
part.
put this away?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. Nice job.
All right. Using my full circle protractor,
¿Cómo se hace?
I need to find the vertex where the two line segments come together.
El vértice. Muy
El
bien.
vertice. And I have a small hole.
Ah,
I put the hole in the middle.
ajá.
If I
Nice.
kind of
Yes,
help me
yes,
there.
you have it.
Then I turn the 0,
To one of the.
keeping the hole. So
Wow.
the 0 is lined up. Looks good. And
The other
presto,
number?
I have my angle reading at just over 30 degrees.
Wow, it's magic.
That makes
Nice job,
sense.
Mr. Bird.
It's magical.
Well,
30
it's-
degrees, that's an acute.
That isn't a cute
Un
angle.
ángulo agudo de 30 grados.
I wonder if that really works for that 90. Should we try that? I mean,
Try.
Sure.
Yeah.
You know
Why
what?
not?
This is pretty nice. I can like take this with me on road trips, you know?
Just in
And,
case, like, if you go
Can
on a
be
road
useful.
trip during the summer, you could find more angles and you could measure it.
Excellent. So again, I find my vertex. Looks like around here. My 0 goes up. And look at that. Right at
Perfect.
90 degrees.
Interesante, Mackenzie.
Kenzie, very good. Okay. So, Senor Perez, today we covered acute angles,
Right
obtuse angles,
and right angles.
and I have to share one more thing,
Really?
because I think we have just a couple minutes. One time, I had a student of mine who was
Story.
losing a tooth, and I was teaching obtuse angles, and the student went,
Your face
"Ahoo! Ahoo!" And I said, "Yeah, good job. It's an obtuse angle." "Oh! Wahoo! Wahoo!" And then I realized it was my tooth, but the student's mouth was like this. Like, I couldn't believe I could look, almost put my head inside.
You know what I have found out now, Mr.
No,
Bird?
no.
Your face is an acute angle.
Thanks. Thanks.
Sorry, man.
Right,
And
well,
you could put it, like,
yeah, good idea. Fourth graders, we will
Chicos
see
de
you
cuarto
tomorrow. Mackenzie, thank you for your help.
Gracias por tu ayuda, Mackenzie. Hasta mañana, chicos.
bye.
Adios.